Everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, we're doing a patty melt. We're doing it with some Dorthy Lynch dressing and a whole bunch of other deliciousness. Just to thank you subscribers and everybody out there. But we'll be using Dorthy Lynch in this recipe today, and that is a Nebraska product, and I got 2 bottles that we're going to do a giveaway with. So down there, you got to be in the United States, you got to be a subscriber. And I'll do one of those random things, and I'll, down in the comments, I'll say, hey, you won. If you win, say, hey, you won, and I'll send you my email address, and we'll exchange addresses, and I'll get you your delicious Dorthy Lynch. All right, patty melt next on Cooking with Corey.
Right, our ingredients for today are pound of ground beef, some cremini mini bella mushrooms, some garlic powder, some American craft singles, some peperoncini, some Italian fusion seasoning. If you do not have this, just regular Italian seasoning will do. A jalapeno, a red bell pepper, yellow onion, Dorthy Lynch, and 1 for me to use and 2 for the giveaway. Yay! And some sourdough bread. All right, let's get rocking on this next. All right, for Chop-O-Matic today, 5 cremini mushrooms, 1 jalapeno, which I have halved, seeded, 2 peperoncinis, a half of a yellow onion, and a half of red bell pepper. He's going to crunch through that next, and then we'll continue on our journey.
To do our patty for our patty melt, pound of ground beef, 2 peperoncinis sliced. I'm going to go into the mix. Let's get it rolling there. Reason that is, it's got a lot of vinegar, it brings out a lot of flavor, and I love it. Half of a tablespoon of garlic powder will go into the equation. Our Italian fusion seasoning, you guys know I love this. Just use other Italian seasoning if you got it. So we'll do, since we're only doing a half a pound, another half a tablespoon of that. Fresh cracked pepper, obviously it's going into the mix. Get her in there, get her in there good. All right, kosher salt. Nice little drab of kosher salt. Dorthy Lynch. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of Dorthy Lynch will go in there. She's gonna make an appearance later. Impeccably clean hands. It's gonna go in here, mix this up as so. Don't overmix it. You just want to get everything coated with everything else and having just a nice little, so they're all chilling out, having a good little relationship there. All right, it's looking good. All right, Blackstone time. Let's get outside. Let's cook on the Blackstone. All right, we're out here at the Blackstone. Anyway, let's get the veg going first here. Let's get some oil down on our Blackstone. And let's throw some butter on there because, you know, we don't like to burn our butter all to death. That'll raise the smoke point of it. Make it even better. And let's go ahead and move that around a little bit. All right. We'll put our onion on there. Absolutely. We'll put our red bell pepper. And the thing we're looking to do here is obviously pull some sugar out of that onion, caramelize it a little bit. Didn't do a very good job of chopping that. Anyway, there. Got our jalapeno. Gonna go on there. And we will wait just a little bit on the mushrooms. But we're gonna get this going. And to get that going, salt. Kosher salt. Make sure you get plenty of kosher salt on there. And fresh cracked pepper. All right, give that a head start, and then we'll get our patties going. All right, we've been rocking and rolling for about 5 minutes here. We've got our bed started here for our patty melt. And it's going along great on our 36-inch Blackstone. So I'm 3/4, 3/4, 3/4 off all the way to the left. And we're doing good here. What we want this to do is just break down. That's exactly what we want to do. One other curveball we got. The bread I got is too little to make an actual patty melt. So we're gonna have to do an open face patty melt, which is no big deal. So we will get these on later, and but I thought it was thicker. It's not. I mean, for the love of God. Whatever. This is what we got to work with, so that's what we're gonna work with. All right, time to get our patties going. We got our veg going, rocking there. We obviously got a problem with that bread, but that'll be fine. We'll give it a little oil. And 2 patties here that we made with our pepperoncinis. 1, 2. Let's get those going because they are going to be freaking delicious. And we don't want to smash these too much. We're going to smash them down a little bit, but we're not trying to make smash burgers here. That's not our intent. We're making, as of now, an open face patty melt. So there we go. All right, let's cook. Actually, cook. We're cooking outside on the Blackstone. All right, we got our patties started going on there. We got our veggie here. Let's add our mushrooms to that mix. This is supposed to make 2 sandwiches, but like I said, we're gonna have a little issue with that. 1 pat of butter, impeccably clean hands. Goes right into the mix there. A little bit of kosher salt. Fresh cracked black pepper, and 1 more squirt of oil. Click on. All right, our patties to the point where they need to be turned, but we need to get some bread on. We had to switch gears, so now we're doing an open face. We thought we were just going to do a patty melt, but we're going to do an open face patty melt. Let's get our sourdough on here. Let's get that toasting up. This will be on the bottom of our burgers. Get that up there. Let's check our burgers. Make sure they're good. Oh, Nelly, look at that. Oh, yeah. Tell me that's not looking good. This one fell apart a little bit. It's had a little issue. It'll be fine. We'll get them stuck back together. All gonna be good. All right, good call. All right, everybody, our bread made it switch gears, so we gotta do an open face now, so why not? Let's just do it out here and we'll go show it inside. We got our 2 sourdoughs here. Put 2 slices of our American cheese right there. Awesome. Get some of our delicious mushrooms and peppers and onions right there on top. Around a little bit. Take our beautiful pate. Does that thing look good or what? I mean, come on. You go right on top. What we're gonna do? I wasn't gonna be going crazy today, but we got to now because, you know, we had to go against the grain here. So we will put some more of that on to our patty, and we will do 1 more slice of American cheese, as so. Our other patty kind of fell apart, but when it comes to fruition up here on top, like so. Put them on top like that. Another layer of American cheese and some more of our mixture. All right, open face patty melt. Let's go in and see how it looks inside. All right, time to plate it. You know, we had some curveballs thrown at us, so now, other than a patty melt, we're to an open face patty melt. Man, it was an adventure today out there on that Blackstone. So here he is. I'll tell you what. Got our sourdough there on the bottom. We got our Dorthy Lynch infused delicious, and I mean delicious, burgers on there. Mushrooms, peppers, you name it. It's all in there. Peperoncini's in the burger. And if you haven't tried that, you need to try that. One thing I'm going to do right now is add a little more Dorthy Lynch to it. Just for a little dipper, because that stuff's delicious. You can use it as salad dressing, you can use it as whatever you want. Good stuff. So, people are probably wondering, hey, you're supposed to be making a patty melt, Corey. That didn't happen, so Corey made an open face patty melt. And, we'll cut down through that. Show you guys that deliciousness there. Goes in there. Get a little bit of that Dorthy Lynch in there. A bit of our patty. Tell you what, if you never ever had Dorthy Lynch, it's great on salads and great on stuff like this. So give it a shot. Don't forget to put your pepperoncinis into some burgers here and there. Hey, thanks for watching Cooking with Corey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. We'll see you next week.